I posted a video about using your photo to turn it into a video, a lot of people said they are interested, and I was like, okay, because when we promise we deliver, because of the high demands of people wishing to learn with how to turn their photos into video, and maybe you can use it for your adverts or your content without mounting up cameras, just to snap pictures. These are the conditions. But please, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the website you need in order to create this, to turn your picture into a video. First, remember also that I'll be dropping this link in the comment section. The first thing you should do is you must be focused on the camera. All right, you can be distracted, but your face must be looking directly to the camera. You can be seated, you can be standing, you can take whatever position, but make sure that your face is, you are focused on the camera. Number two, if it's possible, let your arms not be cut off, like let any part of your body, if it's a half video, let your arms, let your hands not be cut off from the camera, let your head not be cut off from the camera. You must be at the center of the camera, and also whether be it half or full video, full picture, make sure that all these parts should not be cut off. Remember, you must be focused on the camera. And I also said I'll be showing you I'll be dropping the link on the comment section, and also I'll be telling you about the website at the end of this video. So please, before you forget, this is Big Benji of Big Benji Tech Community, and I'm calling on you all to do your possible best to always, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you share, you subscribe, and you share this video. And remember that if you subscribe without dropping a comment or watching the video, it's useless, because YouTube is not going to accept it. And if you're following on Facebook or TikTok, remember it's Big Benji Tech Community. And please, you know already, drop a comment and always remember to share my video. Let's go into the video. Let me show you now properly how to create. Remember, the website is pipit.capcut.com. Down, you go down here, you look, there are other options. You must see where it is. Okay, like here, pipit.capcut.com, right? So you take this one, that's the right one to take, right? It's going to lead you to this place. You go to make photo talking, right? It opens here, right? You need to sign in. I'm also start for free. Let me choose an email. That I've not used before. Okay, let me use my brand email. Continue. Okay. When is your birthday? You have to upload this. I can put anything there. Let me just say the year. Let me say 1980. Yes, month. Next. Now, the next thing you get is this table, custom avatar to showcase your products in style. These you can just use pictures and all that, but now I want to focus on the one that we use picture to talk, right? So link to video, this one is not what we're looking at. Okay, AI talking photo. Make a photo talk very naturally with a script or audio. Here is it. This is the one we have to work on now. I'll be teaching you the other ones later. Now let us focus on this. The first thing here is to pick a photo. Alright, let me use this picture. Confirm. Alright, when you pick this picture, there's something below here you have to do. You say, by clicking this checkbox, you confirm and agree that you own the rights to or have on this photo. Yes, so that's my picture. Let me just I click here and I take next. Right, when you take next, then you come here, you can write a prompt on what you want the person to be saying. But no, there's another easy way to go about it. How do I go about it? I go to upload audio clip. Take this option, audio clip. Now when you come to upload audio clip, click on plus sign. When it comes below here, recorder is not working properly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You can pick a video. If you recorded the sound already, you can pick it. Then remember, your audio must not be more than 17 seconds. so I prefer to make mine 14-15 seconds. And this is the option that I tested and it worked perfectly well. I used the camera camcorder, so I use this option and I just record anything. Now you take OK. It's going to upload. The audio has loaded. You can still replace it by clicking here. Even if it's music that you want the audio to sync, you can still upload the audio sound there. You can see these are audio sounds that are already ready-made from the website, right? So let's go. The audio is loaded. The next thing is to generate. You come below here, you see generate, you click on generate. It says this might take about 48 minutes. You can check in progress bar. This will not take up to 48 minutes, just an estimated time. Sometimes it takes less than 5 minutes to generate, so you have to wait. When you look up here, you see that it has started loading. It has completed its loading on here and see the video. Hello, good morning and welcome to Big Benji Tech Community. Please, I know you always come here to learn. If this is your first time of being here, please subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos so that you will be able to see more videos like this. And it downloads directly into your phone. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.